like I'ma need it anyway. Lord knows I can pull numbers and views on my own. Again.
And it comes.
Yeah, with that.
Back on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Conversation with daddy. Say he going through a lot. He been gone 10 years now. He still in the box. Pretty. Like when they accidentally put a dick out and kiss it. Hold up, then let me film it. She like, nigga, you must be tripping. Real nigga up in your city, bitch, you better count your blessing. Got Lil Megan good with me.
A nigga want a whole family. Damn, bitch, don't you see me? Pretty face, pretty teeth. I'm a bad bitch, you played yourself, you couldn't handle me. I ride dick on my toes. How them pros be with my tongue out and hands up.
We back, let my nigga go. Handcuffed hands on his back and his head to the floor.
No pop quiz, it pistol shock a nigga like a pop quiz. Investigator wonder where his top is. My copper shoulder stop just to pit on my baby chopstick. Drippin' when I walk, but bitch, you know I keep a mouth stick. Get paid. When I say that, I feel like Adolf, fuck a Hitler. The hot box don't have you thinking that I'm working with him. Might pull up in a runner car with them tinted windows. Catch you lacking with your bitch, we dumping pistols out the window. Look, Ralph Lauren designer jeans on polo down. They say, Lil Will, you act a donkey, boy, you need to calm it down. Be wise about
making some fine, my breach. Ain't no wasting no time with tears in the minute. That hitting that beefing, that shit look too risky. You hit for that shit in a minute. All low, ain't no capping when I say I'm getting it. I got niggas watching little folks in
That Draco on the handle wood. I go dumb, stick at the back door. Shit get real, still serve at the bando. Chopper got some ammo. 100 round drunk, got guns like Rambo. Pull up in some camo. I drop bands, I call big